Hi students, welcome back to our session. Today's session we are going to discuss section and midpoint formula exercise 13b. Just I am going to continue the exercise problems. Here we have 8th question. Given a line A B C D. So in the line we are going to take the points A B C D which it is lying in the same line. Here the given conditions AB is equal to BC is equal to CD. It means here AB is equal to BC is equal to CD. The length of AB it is going to be equal to the length of BC. Again the length of BC it is going to be equal to the length of CD. It means all that ratios here always it is going to be equal to 1. So 1 is to 1 is to 1 the ratio. So if you consider here AB is to BC is to CD is equal to 1 is to 1 is to 1, always the ratios. Then only we can say here we have the equal lengths between the points. Okay. Next here they have given B point, it is going to be 0, 3. The given conditions B it is 0, 3 and C we have here, okay, B we have 0, 3 and C we have here 1, 8. Next here we need to find out the value of A and D. Okay, now listen carefully. To find A and D, first what I am going to do here, first I will consider B is the midpoint of AC. Okay, this B it is going to be the midpoint of A value and as well as the C value here. Okay, here the solution. Let B is the midpoint of midpoint of AC. Now if we consider here B divides AC in the ratio 1 is to 1. In the ratio 1 is to 1. So when the ratio is 1 is to 1, we can say it is midpoint. Now here thus I am going to consider the B, I will consider here it is x comma y, and A I am going to consider it as x1 comma y1, and C I am going to consider it as x2 comma y2. Always a midpoint you have to take x comma y. So here the formula, midpoint of formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Here we are going to find the coordinate of A. Coordinate of A we are finding here. So here x value we have here it is 0. 0 is equal to x1 value it is x1 plus x2 value we have here it is 1 divided by 2. Y we have here it is 3. 3 is equal to y1 value it is a y1 plus y2 value we have here it is 8. 8 divided by 2. Now just if you simplify here this 2, when you shift to the opposite side, division here it will become multiplication. 0 into 2 is equal to x1 plus 1. 0 into 2 the value here it is 0 is equal to x1 plus 1. When you shift this plus 1 to the opposite side, here it will become minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to x. So we got here x is equal to minus 1. Next we will find here y1. So when you shift this division 2 to the opposite side, it will become multiplication. 3 into 2 is equal to y1 plus 8. So here 3 2s are 6 is equal to y1 value, let it be here y1 plus 8. So plus 8 when you shift to the opposite side, here it will become minus 8. So 6 minus 8 is equal to y1. 6 minus 8 the value it is minus 2 is equal to y1. So we got here y1 is equal to minus 2. So we have considered the A point, it is x1 comma y1. So finally we got here, therefore the coordinate of A is always you have to take x coordinate first. So it is going to be x1 value it is -1, y1 value it is -2. So this is the value of A. Now here you need to consider C, it is going to be the midpoint of BD. So this particular C is midpoint of BD. So when it is midpoint of BD means you need to consider here x1 y1 it is 0 comma 3, x2 y2 it is unknown value, and x comma y it is 1 comma 8. Remember here. Now you need to consider here C is the midpoint of BD. Just I am going to represent here the line segment. So you can consider here midpoint, always you need to take x comma y, and here we have x1 y1, and here D we have x2 comma y2. Just I am going to apply the midpoint formula to find D. To find D as x2 comma y2, the point. So here the formula x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So x value we have here it is 1 is equal to x1 value it is 0 plus x2 value it is unknown value of x2 divided by 2, comma y value we have here it is 8. So 8 is equal to y1 value it is 3 plus y2 value it is unknown value of y2 divided by 2. Now further just we are going to simplify it. When you shift this division 2 to the opposite side, it will become multiplication. 1 into 2 is equal to 0 plus x2. So 1 2s are 2 is equal to 0 plus x2 value it is x2. So x2 value we got here it is 2. Next we are going to find here y2. When you take this division 2 to the opposite side, here it will become multiplication. 8 into 2 is equal to 3 plus y1. So 8 2s are 16. When you shift here plus 3 to the opposite side, it will become minus 3 is equal to y1. 16 minus 3 it is 13 is equal to y1. So we got here y1 is equal to 13. Therefore the coordinate of D is, first x value it is 2 comma 13. So this is the final answer. Finally here A we got the value as -1 comma -2, and here D we got the value as 2 comma 13. These values are the coordinates of A and D. Okay, here they have given the ninth one. One end of the diameter of a circle is, one end they have given -2 comma 5. Find the coordinates of the other end. We need to find out the other end. If the center of the circle is 2 comma -1, we know very well diameter it is nothing but which it passes, the line which it is going to be passes on the center of the circle, that we used to call it as diameter. Now just I am going to draw the circle here. Okay, I have drawn the circle now. Just I am going to plot the points. See here, one end they have given here it is a -2 comma 4. First I am going to take the diameter as AB is the diameter of the line which it is passes on the center of the circle. So center I can consider it as O. So in this condition they have given here the first point it is -2 comma 5, it is nothing but A value, and the other end we need to find. They have given the center of the circle is 2 comma -1. So we know very well O it is a center of the line AB. Even we can say it as 0 is the midpoint of AB. 0 is the midpoint of AB. Just I'm going to write here solution. Next here they have given A is equal to -2 comma 5, and we have B it is unknown value. They have given here O it is 2 comma -1. Usually we will take here A point it is x1 y1, and the other end point it is x2 comma y2, and the point which divides AB it is nothing but the midpoint. Here we will take x comma y. So here just I am going to apply the midpoint formula. midpoint of formula. X is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So here we have x value, it is 2. So I can write here 2 is equal to x1 value we have here, it is a minus 2 plus x2 value, it is x2 divided by 2. Here we have y point, it is a minus 1 is equal to y1 value, it is 5 plus a y2 value, it is unknown value variable y2 divided by 2. Now here when you shift this 2 to the opposite side, it will become multiplication. Division here, it will become multiplication. So you will get 2 into 2 is equal to minus 2 plus x2. So 2 2s are 4. When you shift this minus 2 to the opposite side, it will become plus 2 is equal to x2. 4 plus 2, it is 6. 6 is equal to x2. So x2 value we got here, it is 6. Next we will find here this division. When you shift the opposite side, it will become multiplication. Minus 1 into 2 is equal to 5 plus y2. Minus 1 into 2 you will get minus 2. When you shift this 5 to the opposite side, it will become minus 5 is equal to y2. Minus 2 minus 5 you will get minus 7 is equal to y2. The coordinate of y we got here, it is minus 7. Just I am going to substitute here. So here x2 value, it is 6. Just I am going to substitute here 6. y2 value we have here, it is minus 7. So 6 comma minus 7. Therefore the other end is, therefore the other end of the diameter is first we have to write x coordinate we have here, it is 6 comma y coordinate, it is minus 7. 6 comma minus 7 is the other end point.